In life, everyone has a past. Some memories bring smiles, some bring tears. But if we keep holding on to the pain of yesterday, we can never see the light of tomorrow. Today's story is about Ramu, a man who lost everything, and how he learned to leave the past behind and start again. Listen carefully, because maybe this story will help you too. While listening to the story, if possible, try to speak along with me. It will help you improve your English speaking as well as your listening. Once, there was a beggar named Ramu. He sat outside the village temple and asked for alms. But Ramu was not always like this. He was once a successful trader. He had a big shop, respect, and happiness in life. One day, a big loss came. Because of fraud or a bad event, his business was destroyed. This loss changed Ramu's life completely. Slowly, he broke down. The Ramu who was once full of hard work and hope was now a beggar. One day, Ramu was sitting in the village market. He was sad, thinking of his old days. Then he saw Haripal, a rich trader of the village. Haripal was also lost in thought. Ramu thought, maybe Haripal also thinks about his past. Ramu gathered courage and asked, "You are so successful. Why do you look sad? Do you also remember your old pains?" Haripal smiled and said, "In life, we all have ups and downs. I have also faced many losses, but I learnt one thing. Holding on to the past changes nothing. We must focus on today and tomorrow." Ramu thought in his heart, "Can I also leave my past and move forward?" He spoke to Haripal with more feeling. "I think every day about my old life. I was a trader. Life was good. Then suddenly I lost everything. From that day, my life only went down. I cannot come out of my sadness." Haripal said, "I understand your pain. I also remember my old losses. But I learnt something. It is good to remember the past because it teaches us our mistakes. But we should not live in it. If we hold the past, our present and future get ruined." Haripal continued, "I tried many new ways in life. I never gave up. Every day I told myself, from today, I can do better. This thought keeps me moving forward." Ramu took a deep breath and said, "I will also try to leave my past and start a new life from today." That day, Ramu decided in his heart to break the chains of his past. He had lost many things in life, but now he understood. The biggest loss is the sadness we keep in our mind. It stops us from moving ahead. Slowly, Ramu started doing small jobs. Some villagers saw his hard work and honesty. They helped him. They gave him small work and he started earning again. Every day he told himself, "Today I will do better. Tomorrow will be even better." With time, Ramu's confidence grew. He stood on his own feet again. Now he became an inspiration for other people in the village. His eyes were full of hope again. Ramu learned, no matter how big the problems are, if we drop the weight of the past and focus on the present, every new day brings new chances. Message: do not live stuck in the past. Accept your old pains and mistakes, but do not let them control your life. True happiness and success come when we live in the present, dream again, and move forward with hope.